Wisdom lurks in the depths of the mind. How to capture wisdom. Make wisdom possible. Turn possibilities into reality. Do you often face such troubles? One-stop intelligent product landing expert Kimdai Intelligence. Kimdai Intelligence has a mature R&D team, 20 years of intelligent manufacturing experience, strict quality inspection process, intimate after-sales service, empowering wisdom, providing customers with one-stop solutions and production. The company is equipped with an R&D department, mold development department, injection department, PCBA factory, assembly department, testing department, supplier integration department. The company also has a secondary processing department, ultrasonic silk screen printing, oil spraying, electroplating, etc.
我们知道客户想要什么，需要什么，并且我们可以提供一站式的解决方案。
我们公司对效率抓得很严，对机器设备要求也很高。我们认为好产品源自好团队加好机器。
品质是责任，品质是诚信。我们都知道要做一个诚信的人，那怎么做？就是从每一个细节开始做。我们对品质的追求有始无终。
我们提供最有效的组装方案，助力打造最好的产品，这是一个成就感。所有零部件在我们这里组装成一个成品，每当看到那一刻，我们感到非常的自豪。
如何在产品投放到市场前避免有 bug？ 只有一个硬道理，就是不断的测试，成千上万次的测试和调试，提前解决，做好产品最后的把关。
董事长王总的管理理念是以人为本，我们坚信公司的发展离不开每一位金大人的支持与付出，所以我们有责任打造一个更具人性化和更有温度的工作环境，让每一位金大人都感受到家的温暖。
Kimdai is the Executive Vice Chairman Unit of Guangdong Robotics Association. Guangdong Robotics Association, Artificial Intelligence Professional Committee, Executive Chairman Unit. AI Subdivision Vice Chairman Unit. Key Laboratory of Science and Standards in the News and Publishing Industry. Smart Robot Base. National High-Tech Enterprise. Adhere to the contract and honor the credit of the enterprises. Accolades: the United Nations Global Corporate Social Responsibility Technology Innovation Award, Guangdong Service Robot Outstanding Contribution Award, and other awards. Now Kimdai has more than 40 invention patents, 116 software copyrights, and through multiple certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and IATF 16949. More with Tencent, Baidu, Ping and Technology, Shangtong, Bell, and Temi, Duying, Chuanshanjia, attracting AI industry customers to reach cooperation. Most of the years have passed, always committed to the conception and implementation of wisdom, design and manufacture of intelligent robots, development of AI interactive systems, exploration of the surrounding hardware in the 5G field again, witnessing the future step by step coming. The future is here. Empowering intelligence, providing customers with one-stop solutions. Truly for smart products, achieving end-to-end solutions from idea to implementation. Join hands to open up new markets, empowering products, empowering enterprises, empowering society, creating a better future together.